Ano to, Ate Kiki? Come on, come on. Ano to? Ano to? I don't know about you. What is that? I don't know. This one. A tweezer. Tweezer for the book. What the? Go on. There's a lot of wood over there. Ouch! Wood, di ba yung bahay natin kaya pwede tayo magkato? Here! You can play now. Ako first, the fun cat. We're cats. We're just pretending. Yeah. My turn to do that. It's my turn. Yeah. No, you can get that. Ako daw, Rabbit. Ako daw na si Pinky. Yeah, ako si Wendy. This is my Wendy. Hi, Wendy. Oh, wala pa. Wala pa. We're going there for the group. There you go. My tail. It's ready. Takot-takot si mga kato. Yung mga mungo. Nakakatot tayo. Takot siya. Hindi ko lang. Wala naman yun. Ano kung sa inyo? Apocalypse. Hey! Bunto. It's mine.
Pinakain mo yung mga
Ah? Ay. Kaya daw ikaw daw sa... Ikaw daw para sa Pinky. Hi, Pinky. Look at my tail. Patita mo daw. Parang may dalawa ko. Hey. Harap ko daw yung dress. Hi. Hindi mo logo. Hey, no bonbons allowed. Why? No! It's so woody. So woody. Naman tayo. Dadong basi. Kaya... Baka nakita. Hey, you cannot see me. You can go with me, I can do it. I just like window. I like window. You cannot see me. I cannot. They cannot see me. No, double cancel. Pinch. Window. Wow! I don't know who you're supposed to think, well, I'm sorry, Pancake. You're just so greedy. Linda, what are you doing? Yun daw kita habang nakahiga daw kasi natunggalan. First, check this out. Pwede naman tayo pakain tayo. Ano, malambot naman. Haha. Mamaya ka. Saglit lang tago lang. Tago lang. Hi guys, everybody. Go. La 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 la. What's wrong? You're oh, you're stuck. Tsaka katangga daw ako. Hindi daw stuck ka daw. Super glue daw. Ninja glue. Oh, sorry. Hachi? You're stuck forever. Tapos natanggal ka na daw. Yun pala daw ay robot window daw. Ay, emergency window. Wait lang. Oh no! Tinapunan daw kita ng tubig. Saka na dito ng window. Natanggal ko yung buntot ko. Paniwan ba? Sabi ko daw yung natanggal daw yung buntot ko daw. Oh no. Kasi daw pag natanggal daw yung buntot ko daw, lalaki daw yung bubis ko.
Ni Kuya yung...
Oh no! Oh my God! Facebook matchulot siya. Yung natanggal daw yung headband mo daw, may buntot ka na daw. Hey, where's my buntot? Buntot! Yeah, sabi mo, I'm so sad. Oh, yung dadaw ka lang. Yeah, blue. Yeah. No, doggy. My baby. My baby. What's wrong, Pinky? I'm just doing my half and it started. My tail? Hindi na daw matatanggal forever. What happened? Yun pala daw, yung natanggal daw yung buntot, yung ears mo daw na sa akin, naging sa akin daw yung boobs mo daw. Huh? Your boobs? Oh, that's a good one. But give me my tail. Give me my tail. Natanggal daw ay naging sa kanraan na daw ng hair. Kaya daw nung natanggal na daw. I don't know this. Kaya nung natutulog sa gawa ko. Ito muna. Wait lang. Look at this. Look at this.
Halika, nag-pray mo.
Alis ka na?